In a world where technology are constantly evolving, one creator dared to reimagine the impossible. Remember the chatbot that took the internet by storm? Yes, that is me, and now I am doing something rather controversial. I am rebuilding the exact chatbot that I built on the 2nd of January in Voiceflow. So, to understand why I did this, you need to know about one thing: ChatDash. ChatDash is a platform where agencies can upload their chatbots and let their clients interact with their digital selves. And as of now, out of the most popular bot builders, they are only supporting Voiceflow. I have said this plenty of times, but ChatDash is a must for every agency owner. Sign up to ChatDash using the link below in my description. And now, let's start bot building. So as y'all can see, I have now finished building this bot out, and I don't know if you guys recognize this, but this is the chatbot which I built on the 2nd of January, so my ultimate customer support chatbot. And this is the exact replica, but made on Voiceflow, and I think that it's working pretty good. And actually, the recommendation part is arguably better than how it was on Botpress. And the main reason to this is because of this block, where we have a response AI setup, where we can actually input prompting instructions to the AI, which is very cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and press R to run this AI assistant once, and I will showcase it for you all. So here you can see the standard text message along with the standard options. So let's start off with the recommendations. So I was looking for a sofa for my living room. So check out our sleek Scandinavian sofa. It is a luxurious sofa with clean lines, plush cushions and durable fabric. Perfect for both modern and classic interiors. Price is 8,000 Swedish kronor. And it goes back to the hub again, and we can select the about us, which will just showcase these two messages. And the ask a question feature, which is quite self-explanatory. So what are your shipping times? We actually need to type proceed to proceed, because I didn't find a way to have the button to press to proceed, but this works, and I could maybe make the button if I were to spend a little more time, but I just made this for the sake of this video, and we can just press quit to quit. So now I'm just going to showcase how we can set up this chatbot inside of ChatDash, and also show you all what we can achieve by using that particular software. So coming into ChatDash, we are inside my client management tab, and we can start by going into our projects and press add project to add a new one. And we are going to select the Voiceflow option because this is where we built our chatbot. And we are going to name this the Ultimate Customer Support. And we have to find the API key, which we can find inside of the integrations. So I'm just going to get that for you all. And you won't see that because I don't want you to see my API. So I've got my API. I can paste this in. And now we need the project ID, which can be found inside of the general settings, which is here. And we needed the project ID, and we can copy this and add a new project. So here we have it, and now we can actually go ahead and edit the project so we can see the features. So branding, we can change the branding to something else like powered by engaged growth. Description, I don't know, what should we type? Maybe and we can also upload a project image, which I'm going to do now. Here is my beautiful project image, and we can change the theme. So I want this to be this blue color maybe. In the setting, we can select a pop-up message, which is actually very cool. So chat with me as the pop-up message. And yeah, I think that is about it. What we can do now is that we're going to go into our clients tab and we're going to assign it to myself. So we can select this button here or press this button here where it says projects. And we can assign this chatbot to myself, but myself is the client. So press save, and then we can edit the features. So I want to show the frequently asked questions, and I want to show the tags, and we can change the amount of tokens that we want to use, the temperature. We can also change the AI model, enter system prompts. But yeah, I was going to turn on the FAQ as well as the tags. But also under here, we can also see that we have different settings that we can turn on within or turn off within the other settings, which is cool. So save changes, and we can go and see preview. And now this is in Swedish. I'm just going to go ahead and change that one out for you all real quick. So yeah, back inside of the preview, we can see all of the custom analytics here. We can edit the layout if you wanted to. So it's just drag and drop. And we can see all of these different analytics. And this is what the client will see. It's not what I will see, it's what the client will see. Change knowledge bases. You can see that I have the knowledge base here. I can add new data sources and remove data sources and do all of that as a client, which is key. We also have FAQs, transcripts, analytics. And if I were to quit this and go back to my project and come here to edit project, I also have the link where I can deploy the bot to a website directly through ChatDash. And if you use this link, you're also going to get the features which you will get here. So that was all for today. I hope that you liked this video. Make sure to sign up to ChatDash using the link in my description. Join my Discord server where I will give you guys a lot of free value. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a great rest of your week.